Hello boys and girls. Today in math we're going to learn about sorting. So what does sorting mean? Well, sorting is when you put things that look alike together. You put them in groups. So if you look at this picture, all the fruit it has been sorted into groups, okay? So all the green apples were put in a group inside a basket. All the red apples were put in a group in another basket. And all the green grapes are together and all the purple grapes are put together. So when you're sorting, you're looking at the thing's attributes. So the object's attribute. What does attribute mean? Attribute is a big word, right? Attribute means what it looks like, okay? So somebody had all this fruit in a table and grabbed it and looked at it. So maybe they had an apple. Well, they're like, okay, so this is an apple, so there's two places where I can put this. But then they look at it and they're like, oh, this is a red apple. So that they went ahead and put it with the basket that has all the red apples. Okay, so you have to look at the attributes. You have to look what it looks like before you decide in what group you're going to put it, right? So here's another picture. This is all Play-Doh. And all of them are Play-Dohs, but the attribute that they have that is different is the color. So there's light green Play-Doh or clay, and there's blue Play-Doh or clay. So they're looking at the attributes, which is the color. They're all the same, but they all have different colors, which is the next word that I wanted to talk to you about it. So when you are sorting, when you're putting things in groups, you want to look at them and see if they're different or if they're the same. So right here, this red tomato is different from the green tomatoes. So this one, if you were to sort them, that one doesn't belong there, right? Because it's different. So you will have to put them in another basket with all the red tomatoes because we only have green tomatoes over here. That's the next word, same. So if the things are the same, if all the tomatoes are green, then we can put them in a group, okay? And that's what we're doing when we're sorting. We're looking at the things we have and we're deciding, are they the same? Should they be in the same basket or in the same group? Or are they different? Okay, so that's what we're going to learn today. We're going to learn how to sort things, if they look alike or if they don't look alike, okay? Okay, so here we're going to sort, and we're going to sort by shapes because I have some shapes right here. Can you see them? I have here a star, a circle, a star, a square, a circle, and a square. And I have to sort them by shape. So I have to look at their attributes. I have to look how they look, and I have to put in groups the shapes that are the same, that have the same attribute. Okay. So I'm going to make some groups here, here, and here. So I'm going to put, what is this, a circle? I'm going to put it right there. Can I put the star with the circle? No, because they're not the same shape. They don't look alike, right? They don't have the same attributes. So not the triangle, or not the star. What about the square? Can they be together? No, because they don't look alike, right? This one's circular, it has like it looks like a ball, and this one has sides, right? This one doesn't have any sides, it's all round. So let's put that one away. What about this one? Do they look alike? Do they have the same attributes? Yes, those two are the same, so that's going to be one group right there. My next group, I'm going to choose the star. So this is one group, and this is going to be another group. Okay, so can I put the square with it? Can they be in a group? Can they be sorted together? No, because they don't look alike. This one has like a lot of points. This one doesn't. So that doesn't go there. What about this one? Are they in a group? Can they be sorted together? Yes, because they're the same, right? Okay. So now I have a square and I have another square. Should I put it with the circle? No, because they don't look alike. What about the star? No, so we're going to put it right here, okay? So they can be together. Also, when you're sorting, you have to pay attention what your teacher asks you for. If she's telling you sort the shapes, then you're looking at the shapes. But if she tells you something like sort by color, then you have to look at the color. Right now, we just sorted by the shape. Okay, boys and girls. So today for your homework, you're going to have to sort by shapes. And here you're going to put all the circles, and here you're going to put all the rectangles. So all of these shapes, you're going to sort them right here. They should be able to move. If you're not able to move them, let me know so that I can help you. I think on the top there's like an arrow, and I think you're supposed to press on that. But let me know if you're having problems with it, okay? So then you grab this one, and is this a circle? Does it go here or does it go here? It doesn't go there, right? We're looking at a circle, so it will go here. Okay? So you're supposed to move and sort them. You're supposed to look at their attribute. How do they look? And then you're supposed to sort them, which means put them in a group. So you're going to sort all the circles right here, and you're going to put all the rectangles over here. Okay? Don't put rectangles. Don't put this one over here, because that's a rectangle. It goes over here. Okay, got it? All right. That's your homework. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I will see you tomorrow on the next lesson. Bye-bye.